Today we're making this quick and easy chicken and macaroni stew. Let's get into the recipe. Alright, let's start by marinating our chicken. It has already been washed. Here I will add some seasoning, which I will list in the description or the caption. I went in with some hoisin sauce, green seasoning, mixed well to combine, and this went into the fridge overnight. Next, we'll go ahead and boil our noodles. Usually, I would cook my noodles in the stew, but today I'm gonna boil the noodles separately and then add it to the stew. So there you see me adding salt, chicken bouillon to the water, and then I added the noodles. Give it a good stir and let it cook until tender. Next, we're gonna add our chicken to a preheated pot with some oil. Allow that to go a little bit for about 2 minutes or so before you start tossing it. Once you toss it well, you'll sit the lid on and allow this to go until all the moisture has been released. Once the moisture is released, this is how it should be looking. I like to leave it uncovered and allow some of that moisture to evaporate. So at this point, we're going to come in with our herbs and aromatics. I have garlic, onion, ginger, thyme, scallion, parsley, and some bell peppers. Give that a good mix, allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes or so, after which we will come in with some pasta sauce. You could also use tomato sauce here, but I find pasta sauce is a bit more flavorful. So I'm going to add that in and then in with some hoisin sauce. If you want to use Chinese sauce here, you can go ahead and use that. I added some seasoning for flavor and taste. Give that a good mix. Set the lid on and allow it to go for about 5 minutes or so before we conclude the recipe. Lastly, you want to come in with some mixed vegetables and your macaroni noodles. Give everything a real good toss, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. The kids love this, guys. This is their favorite. So now let me plate it up and show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my version of chicken and macaroni stew. It is perfect for a weeknight dinner. Absolutely delicious, chef's kiss. And I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.